Morning YouTube. It's day 5. Getting this intermittent fasting keto workout in. It's about 11:30. I got a late start. But yeah, it's day 5. About to do some pull-ups like I did yesterday. Do some cardio for 30 minutes. Do some push-ups and sit-ups. And yeah, hope you guys are doing great, staying safe, and I'll see you in a bit. All right, YouTube, another workout in the books. Did about 32 minutes on the air assault bike. Did 5 pull-ups, 30 push-ups, 30 crunches. Sunday, tomorrow I start a new job working from home, so I have to adjust my schedule a little bit. Maybe get up a little, not maybe, I will have to get up a little early between taking the kids to my mom for her to watch them, and then I'm getting back to start this online job training. And so yeah, should be good. Hope you guys are doing great on this Sunday, and I will chat with you later. Be safe.